Guys, what's up? So this week I was feeling a little bit curious to try new foods, and so me and my mom went to a Korean store and we bought a whole bunch of Korean food that looked good. So what we got today is pretty much all cookies besides this one thing. It is a cheese ramen that I'll be making at the end of the video. And so I'm ready. So today there's not going to be my sister, it's just me because I'm home alone. So let's get to it. So the first thing we've got is this choco cake. Oh yes, choco cake. Alright, so it's world's best quality, I guess. So, so they look like this in the packaging. It looks kind of weird. Alright, so here we go. So this actually looks pretty good. Looks like a cake. Oh. It's like good time, like it's good, but it's like really dry at the exact same time. Like I feel like the cake could be like more moist, like you know the chocolate. So this is what it looks like inside. So I'm gonna give the Oh Yes chocolate cake an 8 out of 10. So the next thing we got is a Choco Hem cookie. Looks like this. It's choco cream wafers with hazelnuts. So this is the packaging. Right? So it's really hard to open. Alright. So it comes with these, it looks like this. And they kind of feel dusty. So I'm gonna break it. Alright, so I'm gonna try one. This is actually really, really good. Really good. So I get the Choco Hem cookie a 9 out of 10. And for our last, no, not our last. For our next one, we have a Cocoa Cookie Diace coffee cookie. Coffee Slim. And right here, it tells you how to open them. So, and it comes in a box like this, I guess. My sister loves these. I've never tried them before. So, come like a small packaging like this. So I'm gonna read how to open this. I didn't know how already, because I just failed. Whoa, never mind. Alright, so when you open them, they're really brittle, and so it broke off. So look at that. So I'm gonna try it. Tastes a lot like coffee, and I hate coffee, so. tastes more like coffee ice cream than coffee itself. I still don't like it, so I'm gonna have. I give the coffee cookie 6 out of 10. It's alright. Does it really taste like macaroni and cheese or like cheese at all? It pretty much tastes like nothing. Not because I didn't put enough cheese in it, but oh well. So my tip is to after rinsing the water, then put in the flavoring. If you ever have this. So, yeah. I give it a, well, because I don't really taste anything, I'm gonna give it a, I don't know, out of 10. Alright, so that wraps up this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe down below. I will leave a link to last week's video, which you can also see right. You can click right here if I know how to do that on YouTube. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next week. I don't know how to do an outro with this, so I'm gonna walk over here and be like, yeah.